In this video, I'm going to show you about the exponential function and the logarithm function. Both, at their simplest, are based upon the number e, which is just 2.718282, and then it just goes on forever from there. If you actually want to use this number in R, what you type in is just exp of 1, and that will actually compute that for you. As you'll see down there, more decimal places are actually hidden on you there. Now, the actual exponential function, e raised up to some number, is just exp, and then you type in the number you're interested in, or a vector of numbers. In this case, I have x being 9, so this is the equivalent, I'll throw in a little thing here, of e raised up to the 9. And if I run this, I'll find out that that's 8,103.084 or something. But I can put any number I want in there, positive or negative, and that's the exponential function. And then there's the inverse of the exponential function. There's the logarithm function, which there's many forms of in R, but I'll just go with the most basic thing. It's log, and then there's the number you want to get the log of, and then you tell it what base you want. And by default, it uses e as its base. So by default, log there is actually the natural log. So if I wanted to run this, I could just pick this line right here and run it. And I'd find out, since x right here is 9, I'd find out that I'd have to raise e to the 2.197225 to get 9. And that's how I can use the log function. Now I can use any base I want as long as it's a positive number. So I could do base 10. And in this case, I'm asking, what do I raise 10 to get? Well, my x number 2 is 10 here. And this should come back as 1, which it does. And so this is just how the log function works in here. You can change the base, and then you throw in whatever value you want. And both of these are vectorized functions.